him from the yard.
This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and today I have for you the October Subscriber's Choice build of the Cadillac Seville. Let's get it up on the turntable and see what we're looking at. Alright, so this is an original silver and purple on the sides, and the roof's bent down a little bit. Both A-pillars are bent down, and we should be able to straighten those out without too many problems. I'm not sure exactly what color I want to go with on this. I do know that I want to go with custom wheels, so those original black wall wheels will come out of it. And as far as modifications go, I think that I want to jack up the back end of this thing and kind of turn it into a hot rod kind of car. Maybe. I had an idea. I have some monoblock wheels that I thought about using on one of these. And once I get it apart, I may pull those out and just take a look at doing that. But if we jack it up and put bigger wheels on the back, obviously we'll have to make accommodations for those, because 12mm wheels, I'm sure, will not work nicely with this car the way it is. So let's get it taken apart and see what we're working with. Alright, so I just got this thing drilled. Let's take it apart and see what's inside. So we got the base here. The wheels, those will be easy enough to remove. We'll get this cleaned up and everything. Here's the interior. I'm noticing that there's not really a floor in the interior. So whatever we do with the interior, maybe we'll paint the inside of the base to match. And then the glass, which is kind of pinched in there because that roof is bent down. There it goes. Okay. Let's see if we can do something about this real quick. That doesn't seem like it wants to be a great idea. So, okay, this might work. Okay, that's actually pretty good. So I think we're going to go with that. Alright. Get this drilled and tapped, cleaned up, come back for the next step. Okay, so we got everything stripped and cleaned and everything. Went ahead and soaked this in the lime William water, as well as the base. We're going to have to get these buffed and polished and everything. Cleaned up the interior, which it was really enclosed and wasn't dirty at all, but go ahead and get it cleaned up anyway. So I don't think we're going to stay with a red interior on this. Not sure what color we're going to go with, but I wanted it ready to go for that. Washed the glass and everything, so we'll get this body and base polished up and go ahead and get ready for the next step. By the way, I did cut the tabs off the base, and there was some bump outs that stuck on there. I don't know what I did with... Okay, here they are. So, where did it go? I had this Aston Martin premium car that I wanted to use the wheels off of, and what happened was they were just too narrow to fit in there, so I ended up, there's tabs that stuck out on the base, and I went ahead and took those down, and I also cut off the hubs on the inside of the wheels. So now those fit in there very well, so I'll give you a little bit of a sneak peek here. So that's what we're kind of looking at. May give these wheels some kind of treatment to black out so they really do look like wire wheels instead of all chrome. Not sure what color we're going to go with yet. I have some ideas in mind, but we'll have to see what happens. Okay. Alright, so I have decided to go with the Windex Blue Spectra Flame paint on this Cadillac. Started doing some detail work, trying to decide what color I'm going to go on the interior with. I think I'm going to go with this wooden deck tan from Mania, and I don't know that I'm going to spray it. I may just try to brush it on and see how that goes. If it doesn't work, I'll just clean it off, start over. I went with black Sharpie for the carpet. To make the carpets black, I think that'll really look good with the lighter color seats on the interior and everything. I went with the red Sharpie for the taillights. We'll see how that works out. And I went ahead and did the bumperettes and the rubber trim on the bumpers. And I colored in the headlights with the silver metallic Sharpie. I'm going to do some more work on this. I want to color in the turn signals with the clear Tamiya orange and use the Nuln oil for the grill to darken the insets. So that's where we're at with this. I also want to use the Nuln oil on the wheels. We'll probably do the ends of the axle with the... I'm not sure. We may leave them silver, but I definitely want to hit the insides of the wheels with the black, with the Nuln oil, and really make those spokes stand out on these. And also got the glass cleaned up and everything, and we're going to put that in the floor shine. Get that shined up, and then yeah, so we'll get the paint mixed up and start spraying it on here, and then I don't know how much of this detailing and stuff I'm going to do on camera, but I just wanted to tell you what's going on. So if I don't come back and tell you more after painting, then we'll come back for the reveal. Ladies and gentlemen, I am proud to present to you my October Subscriber's Choice build of the Cadillac Seville in Windex Blue and detailed to the nines. Let's get this thing up on the turntable and take a look at it. Alright, so this is an original silver and purple car, purple on the sides, and the roof's bent down a little bit. Both A-pillars are bent down, and we should be able to straighten those out without too many problems. I'm not sure exactly what color I want to go with on this. I do know that I want to go with custom wheels, so those original black wall wheels will come out of it. And as far as modifications go, I think that I want to jack up the back end of this thing. Alright, so here it is, and it's Windex Blue. Put those wheels off of that Aston Martin on it. We stripped it, polished it. Painted the interior in that tan color. Black carpets you can't see. Colored in the bumperettes and the rubber on the bumper with the black Sharpie. Silver metallic for the headlights. Red Sharpie for the taillights there. They really pop now. Went in with the Nolan oil on the wheels and the grill. I don't know about you guys, but I think this is a thing of beauty. We straightened the A-pillars, pushed the roof back up where it belongs. Both the door handles body colored is kind of a custom. Back in the day, they would have been chrome door handles. Thought about putting a vinyl top on it, and I didn't really think black would look good on this. And I thought about doing white, and I was like, and then after I painted it, I was like, yeah, I gotta leave it the way it is. So, December 5th, Diecast International Build, it's a holiday build. Be sure to join in with that if you can. For you guys that make videos of your cars, we'd love to see what you can do with our ideas. And for those of you who don't, you can submit pictures too. There's a link in the description to my email. January, we got the 4-door muscle car build. We hope you'll join us with that too. We got some exciting things going on. We're working on getting the schedule out for next year for all the builds. Still waiting on a couple of things, and then we'll have those ready to go. But follow me on Instagram, doing some exciting things over there. Showing off a lot of my cars that you can't see on my YouTube channel because I'm not making videos of the what's in the case anymore, but I'm showing them over there. So go over there and check it out, will you? And, I got Patreon too for those of you who want to support the channel. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below. Click that like button and ring that bell for notifications. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I'll see you next time.